Hello guys, this is Mahmoud from Steele Hyundai Halifax. Today I will be showing you the 2021 Hyundai Venue Ultimate. Stay tuned. Alright guys, this is the 2021 Hyundai Venue. Very beautiful, distinctive styling. The car has a very excellent value. It has a very surprising passenger volume. Very easy to drive, agile for everyday city driving. It has a 1.6 liter inline-4 engine, producing 121 horsepower, delivering 7.5 liter per 100 kilometer combined gas mileage. It has a very beautiful, comfy interior. It has many driver assistance safety features. Forward safety, collision warning, and emergency braking. Lane keep assist, blind spot. There's a backup camera. Touchscreen infotainment system. You have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, three different drive modes: Sport and Normal and Snow. Heated steering wheel, heated passenger and driver seats. Very practical, very useful crossover. Plenty of cargo space. You can fold down the seats for more space. Spare tire. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach to us at Steele Hyundai Halifax 902-454-1000. Thank you.